Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to back up a project in Jira. So there is no built-in feature, as I know, in Jira to back up a project, so we have to install an app for it. So click on apps and then go to explore more apps. Now here type in backup for Jira, so backup for Jira, and now select one of these apps. I would like to select the first one. And now in order to add it as an app to your Jira, you will have to click on try it free, and this will load up this button and click on review, and then simply click on start free trial. Now this is a 30-day free trial. After that it is paid, but you can try it for yourself and see that it is actually worth it. And as you can see, Rewind Backup for Jira installed successfully, so your app has been added to your instance and is ready for use. So now you can easily use it. Click on Get Started and simply back up your Jira project. So as you can see, this will take you to a new window in 3 seconds. If this doesn't happen automatically, please click on this link. And now wait a bit. And here select the region you would like to store and process your data. So just select the region and click on submit. Now as you can see, they will back up your data and it will be safe and they will not be able to delete it from you. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.